to you, good night to you. Welcome to Monday, your face smells like poo. I didn't mean that. I'm sorry, Jimmy. I'm sorry, John. I'm sorry, Dahlia.
Why are you thinking of names that start with J?
I'm sorry, Dahlia. I'm sorry, Jackson. I'm Jackson. Anyways, today is having to do what I just did right there.
Hey guys! Guess what? Before Sky gets to be annoying or not talking, just don't watch her because we have microphones. They are cool! And I will keep interrupting Sky throughout this video. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Did you just pick your nose on camera?
Oh, yeah.
You gross.
Okay. Okay. Today has to do with what I just did there. That's spinning. We're going to do how to spin longer. Okay, it's like this.
You funny.
Lots of people want to know.
Dude,
how to do
everyone knows how to do that. See? Ah!
it. No, they don't. Look at this. No one knows how to do that. Not even him.
But I do. See? You guys get to watch me as I am perfect.
Okay. Kind of like the Elmo meme, like, hey Jimmy, what are you gonna do with that stick? There's lots of things I can do with that stick, Elmo.
Rip. Hey guys, sorry if when we move around, there's a lot of that's just microphones. So
Microphones.
because Sky is stupid. What are you get up?
Okay, I just spent a whole lot of time doing a whole lot of nothing, and let me tell you a compliment, 'cause you don't look good today. You look really good. Like, you look good. Okay, you look good. And if you're on the toilet, I get it. And I wish I could do that my hair that way. That's beautiful. And if you're bald, you got a nice shaped head. And if you don't have a head, then you got a good neck. If you don't have a neck, you got a good chest. If you don't have a chest, you got good arms. If you don't have arms, you got good legs. If you don't have legs, you got good feet.
Sky, it's literally impossible to live
If you
without
don't have
a head.
then you got good eyes.
It's impossible to live without a head.
Good morning to you. Good morning. That's not good morning. It's good night.
Okay, can we just get on?
Okay, so we're gonna start with a lesson
A lesson?
to do the little throwing.
But look, I can do it.
He can't. Like the third time, he can't do it. No.
How do you do it then? Smarty
Okay, I'm gonna
pants.
tell you. So first, put your hands in a T pose. Zoom in on that chest. No, don't. Zoom in my mouth. You see it? That's good stuff. I'm gonna do some rapid movements with my mouth, and the cameraman will assumably zoom in. Like that. That's good stuff. Chuck E. Cheese.
You're Chucky.
I'm gonna show you my
I want
doggy.
to chuck you with
My
cheese.
doggy's right here. Look at him. He's so cute. And he likes boxes. My baby.
Stop!
What?
It hit the camera.
Oh my. Okay. Okay.
What is that sound?
Okay. Anyway.
Okay, we gotta move this box. No, my car! I crashed. What are you doing? Sorry, guys. My sisters are crazy.
Okay. So we're gonna start with your hands on the T-pose. Flat hands.
I wish you were a T-pose.
And then put your foot up into a PK. If you don't know what a PK
What's a
is,
PK?
if you don't know what a PK is,
What's a PK?
if you don't know what a PK
What's a
is,
PK?
you take your
What's
leg.
a PK? What's a PK?
You take your leg and you point it and you put it right up to your knee and down.
What? What?
I
can't do it.
My cameraman tried.
Uh,
And keep doing that 5 times.
What's a PK?
And then go the other way and
PK sounds right.
do 5.
You know.
Once you've done 5 on each leg, you're going to do a spin with your first leg, and then like this, like that, and then a spin with your second leg, which you're gonna watch me suffer because I can't do one with my second leg. Wait, do this, like that, and now. Oh, that was actually pretty good. Anyways, okay, so once you've done that 3 times on each,
I dropped a coin.
I'm too lazy, so I'm not gonna do that. Anyways, you're going to like take your foot. Can you, cameraman or invisible ghosty out there, can you please zoom in on my foot or go down to my foot? Okay, you're just gonna go up and down, up and down. Then do the other side. Okay, once you're done with that, look at me now, not the feet. Okay, once you've done that, we're gonna start the process. So spin once, but you wanna put your foot slightly.
Hey guys, I'm gonna interrupt. Rip box.
Okay.
Sky, you're on camera.
For all the ladies out there, this is just for camera. I'm not actually. Look, I'm right there, and then watch. That's what I did. Good. Anyways.
That's how the fake pick your nose.
Okay, so to do the trick, you gotta put your foot out slightly, like this. Please zoom in on that.
Okay.
No, just like look at it, like slightly. So look at the waist of my legs, and then look at how tall you have to put your leg. And if you want to put it higher, you can, or this, like this, you can. Okay, so now you're gonna spin once, and you're gonna rely on this foot, your good foot, which mine for spinning is this foot. So you're gonna rely on whichever foot is best. And I'm sorry, my socks are filthy. Look at that dirt, like, okay, zoom in on it. Zoom in on that. Look at that dirt.
Ugh.
Okay, anyways, okay, so you're gonna start spinning with your good leg on the floor. And you're gonna spin once and you're gonna hold it. Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna take the leg that's spinning and kind of rapidly kind of push, 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 push. You don't wanna move your upper body, you just wanna, while you're spinning. So if you spin once, you're gonna move, 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 move.
Cool.
Now,
I should care.
I'm gonna give you guys a treat, and I am going to let you guys, I'm gonna let you guys, what am I gonna say? I'm gonna let you guys see me suffer with the other leg. So if you guys, you know, if you guys feel bad that you can't
After
do it,
this, we're done, okay?
and if you guys feel bad that you can't do it, it's fine. I'm gonna show you what I would do. Okay, ready? This is my bad leg.
Death.
Okay, that's what I would do to make you guys feel
Death
better.
has happened.
Anyways,
So,
that was a really short video. Thank you
it's
guys.
only this many.
I am super sorry.
Now this many.
I'm super sorry that this was a really short video, but that's it for today's video. If you need help, contact me in the community center, and I will write you
What
back.
is that?
That's where people write comments.
Don't do that.
Comments.
Okay, guys, after this, I'm going to have to yell at my sister on how to use a microphone.
Okay, you guys stay there. Wait, I need to go grab something.
What are you grabbing?
Okay, I grabbed it. I had to get a snack.
Guys, Sky, you may have heard that via the microphone, but
You might have heard my little secret. I was telling my camera.
but I'm not gonna do it. Okay.
Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you loved me, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Jump.